So here we have this view. We have monospaces. We have sort white space. We have show column distribution. We have this type of function you can simply use. This is 5 distinct and 0 unique values. It is also about your column. It's also about your column. It's also about your column. It's my tools tab which you can use to diagnose any steps very easily. It's my help tab which you can use to taking help from Power BI regarding training videos, regarding support, regarding Power BI blocks, regarding documentation support, regarding samples, submit an idea or your opinion about anything. You can simply use all of this. It's my transform tab, it's my add column tabs. You can use this. So these are all functions which you have simply like that, which is discussed as previous. So I can use this analytics as per as my need. Okay. So yeah, I know I can think that you have a proper idea about all the functions which you also available in this also. Okay. So I can simply use this option as after done my work. So make sure you have done your work like that. You have done your work as to show your values. It's formula bar. Okay. So it's my syntax which is written here regarding my any query. So after done your work, you can simply click on home, click on close and click on apply. So the whole data is applied from here. Okay. Here I do not want to sheet 2. It's creating a model. Load it, load it, load it. It's loaded. So when it's loaded, you can use this in your particular work. So it's simply make your data bigger. Okay. So use this. We will launching to Power BI desktop and your data it's showing to you. It's your data. So it's your data. You can simply say it's loaded from here. You can simply say it's properly organized. You can see it's properly organized. So your data is properly organized from here. Its mother name, its last name, it's showing to you. Okay. Mender, male, female, Mrs. Meera. So we have to write this gender because it's have to come here, so it will be placed. Okay, so you can simply change this. Okay, after clicking on left side. So we have proper change data. Good, very good. Click on this home function and I am showing you how can you see in your reports. In the report view we can simply generate our reports from student data DOB. So here we have a proper report tab, address, Aadhaar number, category, class, which we have of all of us. Simply use this card. This is my card, and here it's my table. Table. I will fetch here table. In the table section, I click on address, student characters, sections, sections. So these are our functions. In the card section, I will click on address, gender, no gender, no gender, no gender, section, student characters. I am not able to calculate it. Okay, okay. It's can see, take a simple any single value. Okay. So I want to use this address from this characters. It's 11 Nagar. So it's all about my Power BI because I have a single address, so it's showing you. Okay. But I want to use I do not want to use this. I want to use Aadhaar number because it's unique in everyone, in everything. Aadhaar number. It's 46 million. So it's a count of Aadhaar number, sum of Aadhaar number. You can simply use any of the particular details from here, but it's a sum of Aadhaar number. and you can simply click on average, remove field, remove this visual. You can simply count maximum, minimum, show values as local conditions. It's 104 million. So it's your Aadhaar number. It's your remove tab. It's your show as a table. So it's your chart. Click on this page number 2. It's your chart. You can simply name on this. I again click a filter, a slicer tab. It's my slicer, and here you have in slicer your slicer value, which is Aadhaar number, address, category also. So I want to take only Aadhaar number, address, not anything. So I have this slicer, and I have this particular card. On this card I want to fetch student name based on these details. Click on this Aman, Karthik. So you can use any of this. I want to remove this. No, I want to use address, not address. I want to use category. So who belong to general category? Rahul. What OBC category? Aman. SC category? Madhav. SC category? It's showing to you, Aman. So it's your data. Perfectly say it's your data. It's your clear data. Here is your fields loaded here, so you can simply change whenever you want. It's Rahul and its category. Okay. Here we have these values, so you can click on any of data. It's student name. Use mother's name also, but you can't take because it's flash slicer. So it's card value, so you can't take. So it's used. It's table view, and it is your slicer view. Click on this page number 3. Use this funnel. In the funnel section, student DOB section is loaded. So when you have this data section and student DOB, it's not loaded at the moment. So make sure you have proper data to load this, because it can't load it without proper resources. It's sum of class, it's sum of fees in a month. Okay, fees in a month. It's showing the proper value. It's sum of class and it's fees in a month, which is showing to you. So you can adjust these all the details, all of the particular fetching, and use according to your need. It's very good for you, and it's very interesting fact that it can work along with your data very easily. So here I have these functions to use in my data, and it's my another chart. Click on page number 4. Here I can use this map chart. Under map chart I can load address. From address I can load address. It's my address which is showing to you. It's Nasik, it's Jawaharpur, it is Thane. So use any of the particular details which you have shown in your address. So we have limited data, so we can't fetch this, but our address value it's showing to this value. Use this in region, so you can simply click on any cell, but it's not affected right now because your address is not available at the moment. It's map, it's showing everything which we don't have. So move, I will use this question and answer. So this chart will be loaded. Question and answer. It's preparing some questions for me. That what's the number of genders? Click on this. Click on search. Number of genders. I want to search this number of genders. So suggestions. Number of genders 1. Count this. And I can also search from here. It's only available questions all of the available. I want to search average fees in a year. It is 5,000. So let's generate my summary, question and answer, and very useful for me for generating my summary. I want to search again from here. Uh, from here, what is the perfect Mr. Dhruv father's name? So it's loaded. Mr. Aman Dhruv, its grandfather name. So you can simply see it's a full overview of your details. ID, name, father's name, mother's first name, mother's last name, student DOB, gender, category, class, section, address, Aadhaar number, fees in a month, fees in a year, paid the month installment, second installment, remaining amount, student address code, CC, NCC operator not know year 2002. It's all loaded. It's good now, very good. So it's my question answer tab. Here I can use this tab as decomposition tree. So in the decomposition tree, you can use this fees in a month, fees in a column, fees in a year. So it shows you a value which can be sum of in a fees. So sum of fees in a month is 41,620, and sum of fees in a year is 5,50,000. Okay. So these are all our details. Here I have this category option. Under category section, we have this plus bar. So I want to click on high value. So high value and low value, it's shown to me general category, OBC category, SC and ST category. It's my fees. So how can you see? It's very useful to show how your values are affected in your sheet, and how you can change your values very easily. So it's a general space which you use to show your values combinedly, and you can use this function to show your values. So you can say that it's a fantastic feature of Power BI to show your data regarding a best approach. Good na, very good. But I want to click on category. I want to search from low value. So this category. Good na. Click on page number 6. We have this chart which is field map. Field map, you can simply drag and drop anything like this. So it is combined by values. First of all, I will resize it like that. So it's my male gender. My male gender, it's showing that this is not available at the moment. This is a value. It's a I option. It's showing that more location data is required to create a field map. So we have required more field data. So click on this, click on this, click on this. So we have more field data. So what is saying is by it, more location data. It need location, not your data sheet. So keep hitting this. It's need your full location, which state, month, state, town, village, country, town, any of this. So it's needed this data, not any other type. Okay. It's my waterfall chart. I can use this waterfall chart. I can use this values category, Aadhaar number, address. Or this chart will shows to me that increase my value, decrease my values, or others. So it is my chart which shows to me how my values affect. It's general category. It's category means OBC. It's sum of categories. It's also sum of categories. So it is my category which shows me how my values increasing, decreasing, like that, others like that. It's my decreasing values, it my increasing values. So it is green dot indicates increasing, red dot indicates decreasing, and other this blue dot indicates total value. It is my others value. Okay, so you can simply use this particular chart, that is waterfall. Again we have this function which means narrative. If I want to use narration of my data, it's used as a copilot preview. So I want to copilot preview. We have to sign in this Power BI, but we can't sign in, so we don't like it. Okay, click on remove. Here you have matrix. If you want to show matrix, you can also use this service by signing in Power BI. Some charts used after signing in Power BI because it's not available directly to you. It's generated reports. So report will be generated after sign in. So these reports are available when you sign in Power BI. All the charts will be activated. So it's used after generating a proper installation machine or sign in Power BI services. It's something as paid services and something also free services which we have. So Power BI which have every type of service which you can use, but something is paid and something is free, depend on your data and your need. So it is all about this function, which means we have proper charts we can use and simply tag and drop. It is a stack column chart. You can use this column chart to determine the values, Aadhaar card, category, class. It's like that. So this is our chart. It's our general category, it's our OBC category, it's our SC and ST category. So this is our chart which used by me to show your address, your category, and your proper schema of data. It's red binded, it's blue binded. You can simply use this detail to show your values and to count your values. It's my page number 7, my page number 8 I will load. So I can use this stack chart from here, which can use to simply use this stack chart. Simply drag and drop any of the details which you have, like that Aadhaar number, some of this, some of this, some of this, then it will also load it. So my address, it's this, it's remain less, it's remain less, so it is showing you a sum of Aadhaar number. So based on Aadhaar number, it is decreasing or increasing. Okay, so these values are very affected in our Power BI, and trust that these values are very informative for you. So I have explained all the charts from here again, and it's expected that you have properly understand this. In the upcoming session, I will discuss about these visualization tabs, how it works, how it's works in your system, and how it's used in your system. And I will also discuss about this function called as bookmark and selection. Okay, I will talk about it, and I will also talk about text query in this session. So in the table view which we have, so these are all values of my table view. So you can simply save this for future use. I have this desk query view also, but I want to show you something measurement. Okay, so measurement, if you don't read till right now, you can simply some understand this. So I want to extract my category from, I want to extract my category as a new column. So I want to extract I want to extract gender, position. Use this left. I want to extract gender. Enter, and gender will be rotated. It is M, because I don't give any proper schema that I want to extract number of headers. I want to extract only one. So only one, it's loaded from this tab. It is M from here. Okay. So it is male, 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 etc. Okay. So you can see that in my left number of factors, it extract gender position M for me. Okay, which is also a true value. Okay. Other side, I can use this column. So I can use enter, and my column will be selected. I will use another column from here. I want to make sum of student fees installment. I want to make sum. So name this cell as sum, and sum. I want to take sum of sheet number one, sheet number sorry, student data Shantiniketan school. So sorry, it's my default mistake. So I can use from here, uh, from here. It's my NCC option, but I do not want to take. Yes, here I can see it's my class, my address, my section, it's my fees details. Fees in a year. I want to sum up this. Fees in a year. So it can sum up my fees in a year. So as like on this, if I want to sum my fees in first installment, second installment, I can use the sum function to load this in my Power BI. Use enter. It's working, very clearly working. So basically it's as simple as your MS Excel. So what type of formula works on MS Excel, it will also work in Power BI. Okay, so it's regarding that, and I will discuss about later something other formulas of Power BI. So as you have your formulas, your values, you can simply put down it, and you can simply use it by your own preferences. Okay, so it's not subjected to learn any formula. You can simply write this formula, and you can learn about it. Okay, here we have this new table, as I already discussed about that. And here we have all of the functions, which is sum, which is count, which is average, which you can use to your data. So from here I am writing down some formulas for you. You can simply make a screenshot of the particular formulas. So click on open notepad, and I'm using this sum function, this count function, this average function, this max function, this min function, and again I will use something like that, left function, right function. If you want to extract value from right, from left, from mid, and if you want to if you would to like extract value from anywhere, which means as trim, want to net concatenation, I will talk about this concatenation. And if you want to remaining values, We want to extract text, text, text. So these are all my functions which we have, and also we have factorial, FACT, and also we have besides its we have LCM, we have GCD, which is HCF, we have integer function to remaining int values, we have besides its we have round function, okay, and we also have count a, count blank, count blank, uh, count function. We will discuss about that. We have a fact, we have a rand function to generate random value, we have rand between, generate any random value between any low or any high values. So these are all functions, and also we have besides its integer to remaining int values, we have different math sections, and we have logical functions also. Logical means if, and, or, and not, and you can see from here remaining is besides its we have a logical true and false function, true and false function. So we have also this false function. These are all math function, these are all my text functions which we have, and also we have date and time function, which I can use month, year, date, work days, net work days. I have hour, I have seconds, I have e month, I have date difference, date diff, I have e date. So these are all functions which is available to me to change my values and to change my formulas. So these are logical. This is our text. This is our some functions which we have. Then this is our functions. So if you can use these functions, you can also use this informative function information. So in the information tab, you have is blank cell, is non-blank cells, is number value, it's text value, it's all over u values you have. So I can save this file as important formulas of important formulas formulas of Power BI. Okay, I will discuss about all of that in the video. These are all important formulas which we have. So you can simply take a screenshot, or you can use any other preferences which you can choose. I will upload it. Okay. So these are all functions. Any type of data, depending on your proper skin, you can use these functions. So it's depending on your formulas, depending on data which you use to regarding your functions. So these are our functions, and you can simply use this. It is all about our today's session. So I hope you are enjoying this session and you have enjoyed all of the values, all of the credentials which we have provided. So you will enjoy this session, and also you making test on this video using this session. So I have completed this session. Give me a review after watching this video, and it is about the basic details of Power BI, and I am happy that you have seen this video. So in this video we have discussed about three topics which we have: Power Query Editor, Power BI charts, and Power BI measurements. So we have discussed about these three topics very well. Okay, so these are our functions and our total schema which I used to describe my values. So this is our overall data sheet. So you can simply delete this data sheet which I do not want to delete from model, which is extra for me. Simply delete. It will be deleted. Okay, so this data is deleted. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you again.